What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video, and today we're talking about self-lender review. What is it, and should you get involved? So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. Without further ado, let's talk about this new app website on hand called Self-Lender. Okay, so what is Self-Lender? Self-Lender is a financial technology company with a mission to help build credit, okay? Help you build your credit. Particularly those who are new to credit, you know what I'm saying? New people, new creditors, like, 18 to 25, that kind of range, you know what I mean? People that are just starting out, trying to get their credit established, or people that might not have access to traditional financial products like a bank they can go to, somewhere that can, they can pull their money from. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to talk about Self-Lender and really discuss what it is and how, how it works. Okay, so basically, you apply for a loan, right, that's held by their bank partners. Your money is secured and protected in a bank account. All right, so basically you don't, you don't even get access to the loan, and you pay off the loan within 12 to 24 months. You can choose a repayment plan that fits your budget. Each payment builds credit history and adds to your savings. Your payments are reported to all 3 credit bureaus. Now, that's basically what it is, okay? So the negative is you don't get to actually have the money in hand until you pay off the loan, okay? Which could be anywhere between 12 to 24 months, like I said, depending on what option you take. Now, the positive is as long as you take care of your payments on time, you will build your credit score. This is a great way to show creditors you are a responsible adult and you can manage your money and you're good with money and you're not the type of person that just spends frivolously, okay? So basically, if I needed to build my credit from scratch, I would definitely try this out and see if it would help me build my credit score. Now, it seems like it's very, very cut and dry. There's not a lot of red tape or a lot of, how could I say, fine print with this situation. Basically, it's like you're taking out a loan, but you don't get access to it until you pay it off. It's almost like it's a secured credit card, okay? So basically it's like a secured loan. You're actually just paying the money every month, and then after 24 months or 12 months, depending which one you pick, you get access to that money, and you've created a credit history with that creditor. So you've, gained some steam when it comes to your credit score, because the only way to have a good credit score is to actually have a good credit history, okay? And a lot of times people get dinged for not, they might have a good credit score, but they don't have a good credit history, so they're not able to prove that they're able to pay their bills on time, so the banks deny their loan, or if they do give them a loan, it has higher interest, longer payment time frame, and things of that sort. So you want to create a good credit history. So with something like Self-Lender, again, this is something that you probably can use to create a good long credit history, especially if you've never had credit before or if you're trying to reestablish your credit. Now, with all that being said, I'm saying, what is good credit, right? If you don't have money to pay your credit card bill, okay? Because if you want to build good credit, you actually have to have a stream of income to pay your credit card bill off, right? So I want you guys to check out the Wealthbuilderz System.com. That's Wealthbuilderz with a Z, System.com, and get your free cash building strategies ebook. It'll be sent directly to your email. That's so you can learn different ways to build your cash and be able to pay your credit card bill. It's some simple ways in this ebook, excuse me, that will give you a lot of information on how to build your build your cash up, so then you can in turn pay your credit card bills and in turn be able to build your credit up. Okay, so with that being said, go ahead and click that link below. Go to the Wealthbuilderz with a Z system.com and check that out. And thanks for watching. It's your boy DeVaughn signing off for Self Lender Review. Do remember, Wealthbuilderz, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealthbuilderz, baby.